Are you a project manager or Agile practitioner looking to elevate your skills? WorKnoW, pronounced WorKnoW, presents the PRINCE2 Agile Practitioner version 2 course, designed for today's dynamic project landscape. This comprehensive program offers 12 hours of intensive live training led by industry experts. You'll gain practical insights to integrate Agile methodologies within the robust PRINCE2 framework. Beyond live sessions, enjoy 1 year of unlimited access to all learning materials for flexible, self-paced study. Dive into hands-on practice with real-world simulations, ensuring immediate application. Clarify your doubts through interactive Q&A sessions. Our course aligns with the 2025 PeopleCert syllabus, guaranteeing current and relevant knowledge. Benefit from the expertise of Professor Sagar Zilp, pronounced Zilpe, instrumental in mastering PRINCE2 Agile. Upon completion, receive a course completion certificate from Zitrix Technologies. For those aiming for certification, we offer optional guidance for the PeopleCert exam, empowering you to confidently pass. Enroll today and transform your project management career.